Hi guys, are you looking to make money on YouTube, but you're not comfortable showing your face or voice? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you a proven way to make money easily without showing your face or voice. If you're a vlogger or doing tutorials in front of a camera, you have to allocate a lot of your valuable time. Also, you have to edit the video to make the video interesting. But, what if I tell you, there is an easy niche in which you can make thousands of dollars without showing your face, without a voiceover, and without extreme editing? Sounds great, right? Stay tuned for the end of the video to understand how to make money on YouTube in this easy way. Racing statistics bar videos are videos that show bar visualization of statistics, for example, most popular games on Steam 2012 to 2019. Basically showing how the entity is progressing over time or over amount. I'm going to show you a few channels creating this type of video and getting lots of views and earning money. And you will get a good understanding of what to do. Don't worry, I'll teach you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create videos like this. Let's start with the first channel we're going to look at. This channel is called Data is Beautiful. As you can see, this channel has over 1.39 million subscribers right now, and it's still growing daily. If we look at the most popular videos on this channel, most videos got more than 10 to 30 million views. The least views video on this channel has more views than my entire YouTube channel. And I invest so much time to create YouTube videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get at least 1,000 subscribers and a few thousand views. I'll be so happy. Okay, let's get back to the video. Let's check out the earnings of this channel. Earning $1.8 thousand every month. Oh my god. You can't believe it, right? And $21.8 thousand every year. Let me show some other channels doing the same racing bar videos and making big bucks. This is another channel with 370k subscribers. Wawamu Stats has over 7 million views on some of the popular videos. This channel earns about $8.2 thousand monthly and $98.2 thousand yearly. This is crazy, right? I know, you want to know how to do this, right? Okay, I'm not wasting any of your time. Let's see how to create this type of racing bar videos for free. First, go to the link in the description below. The website is called Flourish. Click on the Get Started, then sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Once you logged into the Flourish website, you will be able to see a button called Create New Visualization. Click on that button. As you can see here, you have a bunch of templates to choose from. They have different types of visualizations. But in this video, we're going to focus on the bar chart race. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to find template called Bar Chart Race. Click on that to use the template. Here is the template. Here you can see Preview and Data tabs. Preview will show the actual racing bar. Data tab will be where we insert data to this racing bar chart. Don't worry, I'll show you how to find data in this video. So watch until the end. In the bar options, you can change the chart styles, bar heights, bar colors, etc. I'm not going to explain them in this video, feel free to try them out. You can create racing bar charts exactly how you imagine with these options. But the biggest question is how to get data. This is not as hard as people think. You can use Google to get data. For example, search in Google for world population by year. Go to the first link and copy all the data, then paste it into a spreadsheet. So you can optimize the data layout according to your need. It's that easy. Remember, you can find a lot of data by searching on the internet. Google is your ultimate friend. Once you are done, use a free screen recorder like OBS to create the video. Then go to the YouTube audio library and find the perfect audio for your chart. It will give a little more life to your video. Now everything is finished, you can upload it to YouTube and start making money. How easy is that, right? Since you are in the end of this video, this is a good time to like this video and subscribe to this channel, or this ghost will come to your house tonight. You don't want that, so hurry up.